Welcome to Quickie Meals. Yes, today on the show I'm going to teach you how to make some great macaroni mixed with some sausage. So I'm using, these ones are called Fusil Bulk. They're really nice. You can use any of your favorites. Just be creative. Don't be limited, don't feel limited. So you're going to have these and going to have black pepper. Use any of your favorite. You're going to have some spicy cubes. These ones are called Maggi Star. They're my favorite so far, but feel free to use any of your favorite spice cubes. Yes, so you're going to have some tomatoes, and you're going to chop them like this. Make sure that they look like this, and don't blend them. Yes, please don't blend them. I know blending them is the quick way, but there's a way that it doesn't give the full taste, And if you have the paste one, the tomato paste, feel free also to add it. For me, I kept everything basic, so I don't have them. So you're going to have some chopped onions and green pepper. The garlic is option. Feel free to not use it, please. I will not use it as well on this one. So you're going to have your the elephant in the room. Yes, some sausage. Make sure that they're either cooked or they are fried before you slice them. So once they're ready and they can be eaten, then you will just slice them like this and now put them on the menu, and make sure that you have some piano music playing in the background. Yes, I love piano, and there's something special with the sound. Anyway, fill that as a pan with water, them on the stove, add some little cooking oil. The reason why we're adding cooking oils is to make the pasta or macaroni or spaghetti so that it doesn't stick. Yeah, you don't want to cook some spaghetti and they look like pap, or they look like fufu, or they look like porridge. I know. So don't, make sure that you add some little cooking oil in that water so that they boil together, so that by the time you add the macaroni, it doesn't stick. Yes, so you're going to wait for the water to boil. Don't add them before the water boils. Please add them after the water boils. Make sure that you're enjoying some of my piano, as I told you. So this one is called Jola. It's a really nice song. I wish I can play it here, but anyway, YouTube. But go check them out. It's called Jola by the Motudan and Snom Solo, if I'm not wrong. So our water is really ready. We're going to transfer the macaroni in, and then you're going to stir. Make sure that you stir them, everything, so that the macaroni gets coated with that cooking oil, just for like few seconds, and wait for them to get ready. So I can't tell you that wait 10 minutes, wait 5 minutes for macaroni, for spaghetti, for any pasta. Always check. Like every after 1 minute or 2 minutes, check, taste, eat a little bit, and once you feel that they're really ready, just remove them. Don't overcook them, because once you overcook them, they end up being like pap or fufu, however you call it. So don't overcook them, please. So once you taste and you feel that it's really ready, then you will transfer it like from that water and then put it in your favorite container and set them aside and wait for them to be fried. Yes, like look at how nice it looks. That when it's ready, when it shakes like that, that's when you know that it's really ready. Yes, so after that you're going to add some little oil again, so that it doesn't like get sticky from the coldness. Then you'll be setting it aside as you wait for it. Just a little bit oil, don't add a lot. So time to fry. You're going to add the cooking oil in your pan as usual. Put like the onions in, or onion with the green pepper. Don't wait for them to be golden brown. Once you feel like they can be edible, like they're really ready, just transfer the tomatoes in. A secret to this: always put salt immediately after putting the tomatoes like in the saucepan. This will help them to cook fast. You don't want to wait 10 minutes, 20 minutes for those tomatoes to be sauce, you know. A little bit of salt, it will help cook. You will thank me later. That's the trick, you know. So yeah, you're going to wait for like some few minutes, and once the tomatoes are ready and they look nice like these ones of mine, if you have that tomato paste, you can still add it in here like at that moment, but if you don't have, just transfer the spices in. So remember Maggi Star? Yes, so transfer like 2 cubes or 1 if you don't like a lot of spice, but for me I like a lot of spicy. Just put them like inside, and then you're going to add the black pepper, you know. So put the black pepper in, stir everything together, and make sure that they really cook. Don't hurry up to transfer any other thing. Just make sure that they really cook, like for 1 minute or 2 as you're enjoying like some Amapiano. So she's called Shasha, one of my favorite Amapiano singers. So you're going to add the sausages inside. Make sure that they really cook nicely with the tomatoes and everything. Yeah, cook them for like 2-3 minutes, and once like you're done, that's now the time you will transfer the macaroni or the pasta or anything. By the way, you can use this recipe for any pasta. Just cook everything like this. Yeah, so you're going to stir everything together, cook them. Like now you will reduce the heat, cook everything for like 3 minutes, you know, or 3 minutes, and then it's time to serve. You feel free to be creative. You can take them with your fries, chips, you know, however you call them, and also with kachumbari. So kachumbari is a salad, so feel free to use any of your favorite salad. Yes, and if you want to see how I made this kachumbari, I linked the video up here and also in the description box below. Make sure that you check it out. So yeah, man, that's the video for today. Thank you so much for watching till this time. It means a lot to me. If you really enjoyed, I'm a growing YouTuber here, you know, I'm new. This is like my first or second video, so feel free to subscribe, share the video to your friends and family. It will mean a lot to me. Those are 2 simple things and they cost nothing. So until the next one, have a blessed day, and this is Quick Meals. Thank you.